Where would you put hypocrisy in the realm of things with humans versus animals?
Disastrously human. Not only are we capable of coming up with theologies, ideologies, not only are we capable in every culture of coming up with strictures on behavior that are framed ethically, but we are come up with the means to personally evade it over and over. And in lots of ways, the really scary individuals for this planet are not the ones who say, everybody says X is a criminal thing to do, but I disagree. What's really scary is the person who says, everybody says X is a criminal thing and I agree, but here's why I'm a special case right now. And what humans are magnificent at is setting up sets of rules and then deciding why you are justified in being freed from them. So it is one of the more corrosive spin-offs of sort of our systems of ethical behavior. The notion that it doesn't count with me. When I did it, it means something different because it's a separate compartment.